Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about BEDMAS. Now, I know that most of you have already graduated primary school, so you guys might be thinking, oh, why do I need to, learn BEDMAS again? Well, it's a very big silly mistake that a lot of people do. Normally, when a programmer writes something like this, they want to add 3 plus 2 and then multiply by 3. This and they expect to get the answer 15 because 3 plus 2 is going to be 5, and then multiply by 3, it's going to be 15. But the correct answer is 9 in this case, because what's going to happen is because of BEDMAS, 2 times 3 is going to go on first. It takes priority, so it's going to become 6, and then add 3 over there to become 9. Let's run this to actually check what happens. As you can see, it gives out 9. Now, well, this is BEDMAS right here. I know most of you won't need it. We have brackets, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Well, basically, the reason we have brackets is so let's suppose we want this to add 3 plus 2 first. What do we do for that? Well, for that, we use brackets. Whatever's inside of these brackets will get prioritized. So 3 plus 2, it will get added first, and multiply by 3. A lot of programmers don't know that you can actually use brackets in this type of a scenario. They think you can only use it when you at the end of a method or a function. But in actuality, in Python especially, you can use brackets normally as an expression. So that'll be all for today's video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.